There's a battle going on inside your mouth. Meet the villains who lurk inside your mouth. The forces of good you never knew. The simple secret to winning the battle for your oral health. Do you wonder why you brush and floss and go to the dentist twice a year and still have bad breath and get cavities? The inside of every mouth is teeming with bad bacteria. Tooth decay corrodes your teeth. Gingivitis irritates the soft tissue of your gums. Halitosis is from stinky bacteria that emit sulfur. These oral villains can lead to other serious problems too. The good news, there are beneficial bacteria that naturally combat these villains. Meet the oral care probiotic superheroes from ProBiora Health. ProBiora Pro Oral Care Probiotics repopulates your mouth with beneficial bacteria and crowds out the bad, so you enjoy healthy teeth and gums, fresher breath, and whiter teeth. ProBiora Pro is based on 30 years of research and recommended by leading dental professionals. It's completely natural and safe for all ages. Win the battle in your mouth! Make ProBiora Pro part of your daily oral care routine.